Hello again with Christy from Sun Ballast. The way to learn how to use the configurator has reached now the fourth step. In this video tutorial, we'll see together how to build 3D buildings with pitched roof. The first step is to draw the sketch as we did for the flat roofs. As seen in the second video, we can insert preset shapes in our scene or draw freehand using the polygon tool. Once we have completed our sketches, we will select one. Select our sketch in our usual drop-down menu on the right. Let's select the second icon to create pitched roofs. And here we'll find different types: automatic type, double pitch, single pitch, self-parapet. In this tutorial, we are going to use automatic type, which is the most used, especially in the construction of residential buildings. The procedure is really very simple. We have some parameters to assign: the height of the wall that we can keep as 5, the height of the roof, the height of the ridge of our building that we can keep as 2 meters, the wall offset, the space between the wall and the eaves, which we can make to fit as 40 centimeters, and finally the angle, the pitch slope. However, when we enter the angle of the pitch, the system will give precedence to this data, overshadowing the data relating to the height we have entered. If, on the other hand, we do not enter anything, the system will create the building based on the first 3 parameters we entered. Exclude number of the roof is used to exclude size of the building along which we do not want to create a roof. So in this case, we want to exclude 0 slopes, and we can proceed to the creation of the building. We can now see the system has created a building that perfectly complies with the measurements we have entered. Now let's select another sketch and create another building together. In fact, we can create not only a gable but also a gable building even without the selection of the automatic type. We just select the sketch. On our drop-down menu, we select pitch roofs and we select gable. And at this point, we enter the data we need and create the construction. And at this point, the configurator will ask us on which axis we want to make the inclination of our roof. We select this arrow and our roof will be created automatically. So here are our 2 buildings. By selecting the building, we can also possibly insert a dormer window and then select the type of attic and the roof. We have the roof types, loft materials and roof materials. In this case, we can choose all the tiles available, or we can also go for sheet materials like corrugated, crane, flat sheet and round sheet. One of the 2 buildings, let's do it with sheet material. Select seam sheet and then select assign material. In fact, here it is a pitched roof with tiles and a pitched roof with sheet material. And the last box is to define the material of the wall. Eventually, selecting the roof, we also select the wall and click on the Assign Material. Another important feature of the configurator is also the possibility of being able to make the building transparent so as to be able to view and draw any obstacles on the roof. But this is something that we will see together in the next video tutorial.